Today is a special day. People across the valley honoring all of our military veterans for their service and sacrifice.
And two veterans are sharing their stories of fighting a new war. Here's Channel 5's Alyssa Cole.
It's a significant day during a historical era. This Veterans Day, we recognize the soldiers who fought on our frontiers for freedom and our front lines against a deadly virus.
I caught COVID working in one of the units when we were still dealing with the initial hit of it. There was a lot of patients everywhere. And a few days later, I just started having chills, and then I had a fever.
The next day, Army veteran Dan Diaz, a South Texas Health System's RN licensed paramedic, tested positive for COVID-19.
I actually tested negative pretty quickly within 10 days, but about 2 weeks later, I started with a cough that just wouldn't go away.
His brother in arms, U.S. Air Force vet Sam Vela, a South Texas Health System supervisor respiratory therapist, also recalling those crucial moments at the height of the pandemic.
We saw things that, we were not expecting, for one, and nothing can prepare you for those things.
The two vets found themselves on a new battlefield with an influx of viral diagnosed patients and limited equipment.
Our BiPAPs, our high-flow nasal cannulas, our ventilators, that equipment that typically saves people's lives, we're having a really hard time with, one, the volume that came in, and also how they responded to that equipment that we have.
They witnessed dozens recover and dozens pass away. They say for those who aren't taking the pandemic seriously, think again.
This is real. Take this as serious as you possibly can. I personally had family members that have died from COVID. I've seen people struggle with it. This is not something that you can play with.
I would say that please follow the CDC guidelines. Masking prevents you from spreading it to your family and your loved ones.
Alyssa Cole, Channel 5 News at 6.